What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here with DiCarlo Capital, and today we are going to talk about Snapchat. If you're a part of my private mentorship group or you're a part of our Discord as a premium member, you know we've been calling out Snapchat and talking about Snapchat for weeks and weeks now. I will preface this video by saying I got in way too early, but we saw big money buying over $50 million worth of calls when Snap was trading around $44 to $43, and they had definitely expected earnings to be very good. So we're going to talk about why they were buying so far out in advance, how I could have timed this better, the 58% rip on Snapchat, and where I think this thing's going to go in the next couple of months, because I don't think this rally is over, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out our Discord. You guys get access to free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, free trades, and tons of free free tools. The link is in the description, guys. We're over 5,500 members strong. Go ahead and check it out. Now, looking at Snap, you can see here we had this big 20% drop yesterday before earnings because Facebook came out and their earnings were abysmal, which was giving a pretty bleak outlook for social media in general, like Snapchat and Pinterest. But Snapchat killed earnings, beating daily active users, beating monthly active users, beating average revenue per user, beating EPS, beating revenue, giving crazy forecasts, great earnings all across the board. Plus, the stock has been beaten to shit. We were trading up at $80 cut just 4 months ago, down 70% at one point. Now, I started buying basically around the end of November, early December, because I saw big money constantly buying this. As it was dying, they continued to buy. A lot of times big money will buy when they expect earnings. They know some sort of insider information and they know earnings is going to be great. Now, some people might be like, all right, well, if that's the case, how come they didn't buy yesterday right before the stock ripped? The answer to that is that would really trigger the SEC into seeing if that was. Imagine if you buy $70 million worth of Snapchat the day before earnings and has earnings like that. That's going to be extremely unusual, and your chances of getting caught for insider trading is going to be much higher as opposed to if you were buying it weeks and weeks in advance. So I was buying it up around 45, continued to average down. I was down about $6,000 at one point, and had a massive pop yesterday. I closed it for a $400 loss, which you can see here on my P&L, a $400 loss, which I was very happy about. Like, whatever, it's not a big deal. Still made 10 grand this week, but big pop on Snapchat. I closed it right around like 36.65. So if I would have held, I definitely would have been even. But looking at this, we still have so much room to run. RSI pointing up. The RSI is only at 50. MACD just finally crossed. There is no volume here within this volume profile. So I really think we're going to see Snapchat at least push another 20% up to $48. Now, does that mean that you should be entering a position on Monday and hurrying up and chasing this? Hell no. I don't think you should be chasing this. If you're already in it, let it play out. If you're not in it, I would be waiting. I sold yesterday. My plan was if it pulled back to like 32, 33, I would enter again. Unfortunately, never happened, but I do think we're going to see Snap continue to run. I think we'll see it push up to 48, and I'll continue to keep you guys posted. Thanks for all the support. Have a great weekend, guys. Peace.